Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make special creamy mango sago. First thing to do is to make the mango jelly. This is 2 packets. Each packet is 85 grams. I'm using less water to make the gelatin firmer or the jelly firmer. So this is 2 cups of hot boiling water. So give this a good mix until the sugar and the jelly crystals is dissolved. Then we're going to transfer this into a heat-proof bowl. Once the steam is all gone, put this in the fridge to set completely. Meanwhile, we're going to boil some water. This is about 2.5 cups of water. The water is now boiling. Add 3/4 cup of tapioca seed. And we're just going to cook this until all the tapioca seed is transparent. Occasionally stir this and add water. This is now cooked. We're going to rinse this with cold water. We will set this aside while we move on to the next step. Our next step is to puree 2 mangoes. So we're going to use a blender to do this process. Puree the mango until it is smooth. So this is 1 cup of pureed mango. We will set this aside again. So we need 4 mangoes that we will cut into small cubes. The jelly is now set, so we're going to cut this as well into small cubes. We're almost ready to assemble the creamy mango sago. The ingredients that we need are the jelly that we prepared, 1 can or 395 grams of condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of powdered milk, 500 ml of whipping cream or thickened cream, 35% milk fat, the 4 mangoes that we cubed, the 1 cup of pureed mangoes, and sago or tapioca. So the process is really easy. To begin, in a bowl, we're going to whisk the cream. After about a minute, we can add the powdered milk. Continue mixing until the cream thickens up a little bit, just like this. And then we can add the condensed milk. Mix for a little bit. Do not overmix the cream or else it will turn into butter. Now we're going to add the pureed mango. At this point, taste the mixture. Now I drain the liquid from the sago and we're going to add this into our cream mixture. The cooked sago is about 2.5 to 3 cups. Now we're going to add the mangoes. Do not add it all. Reserve some for presentation. Now we're going to add the mango jelly. Again, don't add it all. Reserve some for presentation. Mix thoroughly. And this is now ready. Transfer this into your serving bowl. And now to finish this, add the reserved mango on top. Add the reserved jelly as well. It is advisable to let this chill in the fridge for a couple of hours before consuming. And this is our finished product. I hope you give this a try. I highly recommend this. It's so easy to make and the result is very delicious. Just make sure that you have the sweetest mango that you can find. And just to show you what it looks like, this will thicken up a little bit once you put this in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like the video and subscribe. I upload every Wednesday.